Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is actually going to be pretty short and sweet. Officers respond to a call of domestic violence, identify the suspect, put that information out over the air, and then other responding officers are going to get in a short foot chase with that suspect who has some rather hilarious things to say once he's apprehended by the officers. That's the main reason I'm posting this video. A little editor's note, you're going to see a sergeant that actually responds. He's the first one on scene that's talking to our victim. And something you have to know is that under Ohio law, victims' identities are protected. So her face is blurred out and everything that she says is redacted from the video. So what I did is I edited it so that you don't get all the dead space where they just muted the volume while she was talking. So it's going to sound like the sergeant is actually asking a lot of very leading questions. That's not what's going on here. He's actually responding to what she said and is asking for clarification. But I thought it was at least interesting to see how the sergeant comes to the decision, and then you see the beginning and then the conclusion of the run. Interesting stuff to me. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you guys soon.
All right, S19, I found the victim. When I pulled up, the suspect took off running eastbound behind the BOA back here. The suspect's male, white, goes by Adrian Garcia, wearing a gray jacket and jeans. And yes, I'm with the victim right now.
I copy.
When you said strangle, like, how did he strangle you? Like one hand against the neck in front and push against the wall, or can you show me your lip real quick? Okay. Alright. How's your neck feel? Can you look up real quick? Did you lose consciousness at all, or did? How long would you say he was choking you for? Yeah, S19 is going to be a good code 3. DV assault, strangulation.
Copy.
There he is. Running. 150. We'll pull it up and see him running. It's going to be at south 2743 road. Running from us. Stop right there, you're under arrest! Stop right there, you're under arrest! Stop right there! Get on your knees! Get on your knees! Hurry up! I gotta fight you back, 1501 in custody. I gotta fight you back. Be careful. I gotta fight you back. Hurry up! I gotta fight you back. Give me your other hand. I gotta fight you back. Be careful. I gotta fight you back. I gotta fight you back. Hold that hand. Yep. Got it. Yep. I can't breathe. Be careful on my back. Gotta fight you all 3 bucks. Alright. Roll over on your side. Hang on the weapon. Stand up. Be quiet, move back.
Hey, ¿qué les dijo qué?
Hey, cállate la boca.
Shut the fuck up, man. You got a freedom of speech. What the fuck you mean?
Go back to the sidewalk. Can you go back to the sidewalk, please? Be quiet, move back. Go back to the sidewalk.
Hey, ¿qué les dijo qué?
Hey, cállate la boca.
Shut the fuck up, man. You got a freedom of speech.
Understand him. Go back to the sidewalk. Yeah.
Dame, güey, ni le ayudes.
Cállate la boca, señor, por favor.
Shut the fuck up, bitch, I need the fuck.
Step back.
I got a fucking mouth to talk. Ahí nomás le dices todo, güey. Pones además, güey. Eches más crema a los tacos, la verga.
Siéntate allá.
Shut the fuck up, pussy ass nigga. Fucking think you're fucking tough with that bitch?
Hold him right there.
Shut the fuck up, pussy ass nigga. Fucking think you're fucking tough with that badge? Hold on, my